Gonna do a bit of honey extracting today. Let's smoke the bees a little to calm them down. Alright, let's see what's waiting for us. Oh, feels full. Oh, already honey on it. Oh, I'm really busy. Alright. Let's lift it up. That is a lot of honey. I came along a couple of weeks ago and they'd built it all the way up here, and they scraped all this honey off and they've already built it again. So today's the day. I'm going to get all this honey out and swap all the frames with these new ones, just foundation. So we'll get started. Oh, maybe show you a look at. They've still just started building on top. That's good at least. Alright.